Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add more than one picture on your Instagram story. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and swipe your screen to the right to access the camera feature of Instagram, and then choose Story at the bottom of your screen. You may either take a picture or upload from your camera roll or tap the two characters icon at the left side of your screen to create a story with the colored background. Okay, so now to add your first picture, tap the icon at the top of your screen and look for this particular icon and simply select a photo from your camera roll. So I'm choosing this one. So feel free to resize, rotate, and move the photo as you like. And to add more photos, just repeat the process like this. Again, feel free to resize, rotate, and move the photos around. And you may also tap the photo to change its frame shape like this. So let's just do another one so it's clearer for you. So tap the sticker icon at the top of your screen and then choose a photo, move it around or size it, change its frame shape, and if you're satisfied, just share it to your followers. And that's how you can easily add multiple pictures on your Instagram story. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!